Have you ever wondered what dying would feel like? Not on Earth, but on other planets? What if your last breath wasn't under blue skies, but under crushing storms, searing heat, or deadly cold? Tonight, we step into the ultimate thought experiment. What if you died? On every planet in our solar system. Let's start with Mercury, the closest to the Sun. No air, no mercy. By day, the heat is enough to melt lead. You wouldn't burn instantly. You cook slowly, like meat on a pan. By night, temperatures plunge to below -170 degrees Celsius. Your body would freeze solid before dawn ever comes again. On Venus, death comes faster. The air is thick with carbon dioxide, and clouds rain sulfuric acid. The pressure, 90 times Earth's. Step outside and your body would be crushed in seconds, your lungs collapsing before you could even scream. You dissolve in the oven of hell. On Mars, you'd suffocate first. The thin air can't keep you alive. Try to breathe, and your blood would boil in the near vacuum. Death here is silent, slow, a red desert swallowing you whole. Jupiter is a giant with no solid ground. If you fell into its atmosphere, the winds would shred you apart. Drop deeper, and the crushing pressure would flatten your bones like paper. You wouldn't even reach the mysterious core before your atoms scatter. On Saturn, it's the same fate, but stranger. The gas giant's storms would toss you endlessly. There's no surface to land on, just falling deeper and deeper, until your body is crushed into nothing. On Uranus, death is cold and lonely. Temperatures reach -220 degrees Celsius. Your body would flash freeze, floating in toxic hydrogen and methane. The silence of eternity would swallow you whole. Neptune is worse. Winds scream faster than bullets -2,000 kilometers per hour. You'd be ripped apart before you even froze. Dying here would feel like being erased by the storm itself. And then Pluto, far away, almost forgotten. Here, death is quiet. You'd suffocate in thin nitrogen air and freeze in the eternal night. A lonely grave at the edge of the solar system. So, every planet kills you differently. Heat, cold, pressure, storms, silence. But one truth remains. Earth is the only planet that keeps you alive. Maybe, just maybe, we should treat it less like a prison, and more like the miracle it is. If you had to choose, where would you rather die? Mercury's fire, Neptune's storms, or Venus's crushing heat? Comment your answer below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next What If, we might just explore how to survive the impossible.